asking one question. Twitter profile we can stop for temporary purpose. So here I'm out of station. I can't use my Twitter profile. People are asking for a lot of question on your Twitter profile. So something you are a celebrity, something you are. You're getting for a lot of pain on your Twitter account. So we have the two options on your Twitter profile. One is called delete, second will be deactivate. Deactivate nothing but temporary purpose, you can stop your Twitter profile. Once deactivate is up to 1 month, you can delete on your profile. So first of all, you can go to your setting option here, setting and privacy. In this option, we have option called is account. The account option will be called inactivate mode, nothing but deactivate mode. Once deactivate, if you are closed for complete delete, the option will be enabled for delete your profile. Once deactivate your profile within a 1 month time, if not using for deactivate, it will be not active. If they ask a question for delete your profile will be completely. So first of all, they show option call is deactivate. If anybody asking question, how to delete your profile? The first option is deactivate. After we can go to the delete your profile. We can't go delete the first option. First of all, we can go option call is deactivate. After we can go option call is delete your profile. This is called very important on your Twitter profile. If anyone asking interviews, you can delete our Twitter profile. Yes, the first option is deactivate. After that, delete your profile.